Spray from late weather forecast, and this is Cristobal part 2. I always pause after because I'm not sure if I say Cristobal right, but I'm in the ballpark. Alright, let's get going. So here's the GFS, a little laggy right now. Shout out to Levi Cohen for all the great work he did with Tropical Tidbits over the years. It's a great site. And this is a high-end tropical storm hitting Louisiana. That's basically is the forecast is right now about Sunday, Monday time frame. I think. Look at this now. This is the arrival of tropical storm force winds, probably Monday. We'll go into that later. I'll show you the map. But this is what the GFS is drawing up for us. Some good rainfall too, for sure. There's going to be some big time system. Look at that. That's what tropical moisture can do sometimes. It's going to enhance it, and this is going to strengthen, into a mid-latitude cyclone rather. And at 970, we don't see that very often. If this were to drop up, this is very rare that we see something like this. There would for sure, if this were to happen, this would for sure be some definitely some big time severe weather. I don't know what kind, what would it be, but just in, your typical tornadoes, gusts, 6-mile-an-hour gusts. This would be some good severe weather. However, we don't know if that's exactly what's going to happen. So it's up to us to find what's the right forecast here. So we'll continue to advance to a different model. Let's go to the. So here's the icon. Continue to advance this. Boom. High-end tropical storm from the icon. Kind of sits over land there. That would be bad. Mississippi. Look at that rainfall there. Let me tap into that. Oh, smokes. Some big time rainfall. Take a look at the total accumulated precip. I'll refresh there. And whoa, yeah, that's some precip for sure. That is, boom, that is a widespread, there's some good eastern Louisiana too. There's some 8-inch totals there. That's some definite rainfall. I'll point it out for you. The heavy rainfall. In this region right there, and in the deep south, that had some good rainfall. I don't know exactly how we're going to look for rainfall, but if I had to take some preliminary guesses, I'd say 3 to 6 inches is more than possible here for this storm, because a lot of precipitation the storm is tapped into. Now, if this were to stall, like it is in the Yucatan Peninsula, show you what that means. You can see down here, why are we seeing, we're seeing some 20-inch totals down here, because it's stalling, and we're seeing this more and more common with storms lately, but it's definitely a concern. All right, shifting topics here here's our storm. 50-mile-an-hour tropical storm, Cristobal. It's almost stationary. 996 millibar storm at 50 miles an hour, and likely will continue strengthening until it hits any land, is my guess. This is the recon data that they collected from 8:30, 9 o'clock ish was the last time the hurricane hunters were out there. So this storm is likely strengthening, and likely already strengthened even more since they last did an update. So we're gonna have to continue to watch this. In the meantime, I'll continue to provide more updates, but for now, that's it. Peace out.